Hi friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're taking a quick look at Verdant, a professional AI coding agent that's been getting a lot of attention and for good reason. Verdant is built for real, production-level codebases. Instead of just suggesting snippets, it plans, writes, reviews, and validates code to make sure it's deployment ready. It comes as a VS Code extension for everyday coding and a powerful desktop app that unlocks full multi-agent workflows. Verdant offers 3 pricing plans at $20, $60, and $180, all with generous credits. There's also a limited time credit boost and a 7-day free trial with 200 credits, making it easy to try before you commit. Let's jump into the desktop app because this is where Verdant really shines. After installation, you're greeted with a clean, minimalistic dashboard that feels professional and focused. The main interface gives you a prompt box for tasks, the option to select your project, the ability to add images for context or design references, and control over reasoning levels ranging from none all the way up to maximum. You can also enable plan mode, which is one of Verdant's most powerful features. Plan mode turns your task into a structured, multi-turn planning conversation. Verdant asks clarifying questions, confirms your intent, and lays out a plan before touching your code. This significantly reduces errors and ensures changes are intentional and efficient. It genuinely feels like working with a smart teammate who thinks ahead instead of blindly executing commands. Verdant also gives you flexibility when it comes to model selection. You can choose between Sonnet for lightweight and creative tasks, Haiku for structured and accurate outputs, and GPT-5 for the most capable production-grade performance. This allows you to balance speed, cost, and quality depending on the task at hand. Another standout feature is how Verdant applies changes to your code. You can work through a dedicated work tree, which creates a new branch for your task, making reviews, rollbacks, and merges straightforward and safe. Alternatively, you can apply changes directly to the project folder if you want immediate updates for smaller tasks. This flexibility is a big win for developers with different workflows and team setups. Multi-agent task management is another area where Verdant excels. At the bottom of the interface, you can see all active agents running in parallel. You can assign different tasks, track progress in real time, and manage priorities without losing context. Compared to traditional coding assistants, this feels like a major leap forward. To really put Verdant to the test, I ran one of my benchmark projects, an FPS shooter built in Godot. The task was to add a step counter and a life bar that dynamically changes based on jumping behavior. This is the kind of task where many coding agents struggle due to interconnected logic and game state handling. Verdant handled it smoothly and efficiently. The live status view lets you see exactly what's happening under the hood. You can track real-time edits, see which files are being modified, and follow step-by-step reasoning. You can also browse files manually, open them in external editors, or use the built-in terminal, all while keeping the main interface clean and focused. The results were impressive. The life bar worked perfectly, the jump mechanic integrated exactly as expected, and everything was completed in a single pass. Verdant coordinated planning across GPT-5, Sonnet, and Haiku models seamlessly, resulting in fast and reliable output. One of my favorite features is Diff Lens. This tool automatically reads code diffs, highlights exactly what changed, explains why those changes were made, and lets you jump directly to the modified lines. If you've ever spent hours reviewing Git diffs, especially when multiple agents are involved, this feature alone can save you a massive amount of time. Verdant also includes AI-powered code reviews using GPT-5. It checks for security issues, reviews code quality, suggests best practices, and highlights areas for improvement. You can even commit changes directly to your Git repository, which turns Verdant into more than just a coding assistant. It becomes a full development partner. Project and agent management in the desktop app feels very polished. Each project runs in its own tab. Tasks are organized neatly in a sidebar. And Verdant supports an agents.md file for defining project rules. You can configure build scripts, commands, permissions, deny list, proxy settings, and default behaviors for autocode reviews and commits. You can also switch review models, adjust fonts, and customize display preferences. This level of control clearly shows that Verdant is built for serious developers, not just casual experimentation. The VS Code extension, while lighter, is still very capable. It shares the same subscription, works great for pair programming, supports sub-agents for custom context, and can run multiple models including Claude, GPT-5, and Minimax M2. It even includes an integrated browser tool for testing apps. While it doesn't support full multi-agent orchestration like the desktop app, it's perfect for daily development work. That's it for today's deep dive into the Verdant AI coding agent. I hope this review helped you understand its power and workflow. It's easily one of the most professional coding agents available right now. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to SoftGPT for more AI tool reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.